My alarm clock is at the beeping again. It's the one that has batteries from over, God, like 15, 16 years ago. Don't know why it does that. It only does it every once in a while. It'll go off, then it'll stop 4 months, and then there it goes again. It goes off for a while, and then it stops 4 months. The alarm's been going off at night, like 3-4 times during the night. And it plays Christmas songs, and I don't even know where it gets Christmas songs from. It's very odd. I lowered the TV and now it's not doing nothing. There it goes. It's weirdly weird, but it does it every so often. It's like I said, an alarm clock that my mom gave me many years before she even passed away. But don't know. Have a good day, everybody.